Hello dear children. So we are learning different functionalities in Microsoft Excel. So today we will learn what what are charts and how to insert charts in Microsoft Excel. Now let's understand what are charts first. So as in Microsoft Word, we have used or we have inserted charts. So the concept is same in Microsoft Excel. Charts offer diagrammatic representation of data. So if you want to display your data in the form of diagrams charts like pie chart or bar chart, then you can use this charts. So to create the charts, select the data and then from the insert tab, select the type of chart that you want. So there are different types of charts in Excel, like column chart, pie chart, line chart, etc. Okay, so we can insert these types of charts in Microsoft Excel. So let's do it practically. Yes. So first, for creating the chart, we need the data. So here I have added a table of data for the sales report. And here I have added serial number, particulars, amount, that is keyboards, computers, laptops, external HDD, speakers, pen drives, etc. Okay, so now let's insert charts for this data. Then I will select this chart first or select the data first, then click on insert tab. In insert tab we have many options here. So we have here different types of charts, you can see here in the charts group. So first I will insert column chart. Okay, so we just click on the column chart, then it will give you different types of column charts. So you can see here 2D column, 3D column. So you can select as per your choice which type of columns you want to display. So column chart you want to display, so you can select any. So I will select here 3D. So you can see here the chart is inserted over here. So it shows you the serial number here on the at the bottom. Then here it shows the particulars, and depending on the particulars it shows you the values, how much it is. So here it also shows you the chart type. So you can simply change the title of the chart by just clicking on that. So you can write here monthly sales. So you can change the uh, chart title. So this is how your chart gets inserted over here. Now suppose you want the data to be displayed here, like what is the actual value. So in the bar chart it shows you the things whenever you put the mouse pointer over the particular column. But if you want to uh, display this, you can simply click on the chart and right click on it and say add data labels. So when you say add data labels, the exact amount will get displayed at the top of this charts or top of the bars. Okay, so this is how you can insert a chart of this one type, that is column chart. Now you can also display different types. So I will show you other types also. Let me make it small. Okay, so this is one type how we have inserted. So see, according to the size it gets adjusted to the window. Okay, now let us understand how to insert pie chart. So for inserting the pie chart, you have to select the data first, as I have told you. Select the data first, click on Insert tab, and here you have pie chart, insert pie chart or donut chart. So I will simply click on that. Now it will again give you the option which type of chart you want. You want 2D or you want 3D. So you can select as per your choice. Now if I want a pie chart. So what is pie chart? Pie chart is a circular representation of data. Okay, so you can represent the data in the circular fashion. So now I will simply click on this chart. So see, immediately your chart gets inserted over here. Similarly, you can change the chart title over here. You can simply click on this chart title and write here monthly sales or any other title you want to give to your chart. So here you can see the different colors are displayed, and similarly according to that, depending on different fields, the pie chart is divided into different areas. So if you want to add the labels, click on the chart, right click and say add data labels. So you can see that the numbers or the amounts are displayed over here. If you want to add the particulars like keyboards, computers also in this chart, you simply right click on that chart and say format data labels. After formatting, you can get the different label options. So first you have to click on category name. So here you can see different categories are displayed over here. Now here you can see the categories and also the amount to be displayed. So computers, 35. So this separator can also be changed. Here you can see the separator. So if you want to, here it is by default comma. So if you want any other thing like space, you can put a space also, so it gets reflected throughout the chart. Okay, so you have seen, you can see that different charts are inserted over here. So first we have seen this, that is the column chart, and then second we have seen this pie chart. Now third type of chart is line chart. Okay, so we will insert line chart also. So for that, again I will tell you, select the data, click on Insert tab, then here in the charts you have many options. So here we have Insert line chart. Now it will ask you which type of chart you want. This is line, 2D line or 3D line, which type you want. So in 3D line also there are many options. So the markers are different, so it depends on you. So now I will select this 3D one. So see here, this chart is inserted. I'll simply drag this here down. Here. So see here, according to the data, the chart is inserted. You can see the fields or particulars down, and here the numbers. Same thing, I'll again tell you that you can change the title of this and make it as a monthly sales. Now here you want to know the exact number, so you can see that here laptops are in between 60 and 80, but if you want the exact numbers, you have to select the chart, right click on it and say add data labels. So you can see that exact numbers are also inserted in the chart. Okay, so in this session we have learned how to create charts, three different types: the column charts, pie charts and line charts. So this was all about for Microsoft Excel. So thank you. So in the next sessions we will come up with the new topics. Bye bye all.